Nature's unpredictable ballet takes center stage across the globe, each step marked by dynamic and jaw-dropping phenomena. In Iceland, the volatile dance of volcanic eruptions paints the skies with ash, altering landscapes as molten lava carves its path. Across the Atlantic, Ireland battles relentless storms that turn serene rivers into torrents, flooding lands with uncompromising force. Austral lightning storms ignite sweeping wildfires, transforming vast stretches into fiery spectacles of devastation. Meanwhile, the Canadian Rockies witness unpredictable landslides triggered by rapid ice thaw, reshaping valleys with their heavy descent. Nature's chilling surprises are a global tapestry, each event distinct yet unified by their ability to challenge and awe humanity.